A really simple example of retrieving just a simple string, right, from a map to a really simple URL. Let's make this a little more interesting. Let's maybe declare a piece of content const that might represent some JSON object. Maybe the JSON object might be an array of quizzes, right? And this could be an arbitrarily complex JSON object, right? So let's start off with an array. And these quizzes might have embedded objects, right, with IDs for each one of the quizzes. We might have maybe each quiz might have a title. So this might be quiz 1. And we might have several quizzes. Let's have maybe 3 quizzes with unique identifiers, quiz 1, 2, and 3. Right? And a sensible URL that we might map this to expose this data to a RESTful API might be something that looks like, for instance, app.get, and since we want to follow the API, the RESTful API naming conventions, we might prepend this with this /API, and then the name of the entity or piece of information that we are exposing. So this might be quizzes or something like that, right? And then here we might have a function that receives the request and response, and then we can send back. You can send back the instead of sending text, we might send data here. So let's send the quizzes over here, right? So let's go back here, right, and maybe restart the server. And then now we should be able to now ask for those quizzes. We should be able to say API and then quizzes. And notice that indeed, right, we are receiving that array of JSON objects back from the server.